Are you guys thirsty for something to believe in? Do you want to see a miracle? All right, I'll show you a miracle. Get ready for the mystical. Come here, Melissa. Melissa actually got me this for Christmas. We're gonna see something miraculous right here. We're about to defy the laws of, sage it, smudge it, smudge it. Defy the laws of gravity. Oh my gosh, it's floating. Wow, look at that. Magnets, it's a miracle. Wow. This is the perfect toy for juggalos. Whoa, it really is a magnet. This is the perfect toy for juggalos because juggalos think magnets are miracles. How do they work? It's a miracle.
Water, fire, air, and dirt. And magnets, how do they work? And I don't want to talk to a scientist. Y'all motherfuckers lying and getting me pissed.
Actually, we do know how magnets work. It's pretty simple. Here, you want to try to get it to float? So you're basically trying to make this balance on there's magnets here, right? Mm-hmm. You want to get it to balance in the middle there. It's a little difficult. You kind of have to get the hang of it. Mm. You're balancing on this electromagnetic energy.
Oh my, hold on.
It's a little tough. Harder than it looks. I make it look easy, I guess.
Wait.
You did it!
Yay.
And now it will spin indefinitely, perpetually, for a long time. Okay, so we're going to open this up. So, I want to see what's inside this thing. What makes it work? I mean, obviously we're plugging it into a wall outlet. My guess is that there's some kind of electromagnet going on here. So I'm going to take this knife, and I'm just going to kind of start to pry this thing open. Now, I already tried to unscrew these screws down at the bottom, and it didn't do anything. That these screws are holding the inner workings of the electromagnet in here. This is actually a ceramic pot, very nice construction, kind of similar ceramic to this. And inside here, you can see a giant neodymium magnet. Neodymium magnets are very strong magnets. Now, oh yeah, we've already seen that. Now I'm just going to go around the edge here. I'm breaking, actually there's like a little seal here that I'm breaking. I'm actually breaking this to show you guys what's inside right now. That's a little tough. It's like there's something sticky. Oh, it's a sticky paper surface. Okay. So right now, I'm seeing these little screws sticking up here, inside there. This is like a sticky paper, like a diaphragm of some kind. And look at that. Looks like there's 4 electromagnets inside there. That's what would explain the electric cord. These are coils, and each one of those is an electromagnet. Let's see if it still works. It still works. Voila. We have a situation where 4 different electromagnets are pulling this neodymium magnet in 4 different directions. So if you can balance it in the center to where all of the poles are equal, it will put the neodymium magnet in a static levitation position. Okay, so I want to try to get this cactus, this big cactus, into this little pot here. Let's see here. Be careful, it's a cactus. Ooh, gosh. Grab it by the pot. See, I know all about cactus. Ooh, looks like this one's a little bit too big.
You can't even hold it.
Do you notice and recognize miracles?
It's just there in the air.
Are you a believer in miracles?
Pure mother up magic, right? This shit'll blow your mother up mind.